class.
Class keyword. Class keyword. How to make empty class?
And
Empty
pass
class.
using
Pass
pass to
keyword.
yes.
Pass is the keyword used to make empty class. Am I
Yes,
right
sir.
or not? What is the keyword? Pass.
Pass.
What are instance members? Respond. What are instance members?
Sharing
Team
same copy to
our
multiple objects.
right answer and Gopal garu. Sharing common data to multiple objects. Sharing common data to multiple objects. Technically, we can call instance. How to recognize instance?
Self
Using
using
self
self
Self.
keyword.
Self keyword.
Prasad garu, self keyword. Next one and another. Self is the keyword used to recognize. Used to recognize what do you
instance.
call self instance members. How to initialize instance members dynamically
Using init method.
using the constructor. How
Using
to create the constructor? Underscore
Init
init
underscore.
init underscore. Got it or not? Fine. And this is the how to create an object. How to create object in
But
the
constructor calling.
constructor
Object.
calling. No, constructor calling. By using constructor calling, we are able to create the object. Fine. Yeah. So this is the information we discussed yesterday.
Yes,
Team
sir.
నాతో పాటు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలండి నెవర్ మిస్ ఇట్ నాతో పాటు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి ఫైన్ let me go through our folder. View terminal. View terminal. Can you please answer? Git checkout.
Batch 2.
Git checkout batch 2. Yes, now we are in the batch 2. Oops, na. Oops. Fine. Team. What is inheritance? And another point is the what is inheritance? Getting the data from parent class to child class. Getting the data from parent class to child class. Technically, we can call inheritance. Got it or not? Can you please repeat it again? What is inheritance? What is inheritance? Getting the data from parent class to parent class to child class. Getting the data from parent class to child class. Technically, we can call inheritance. Yes or not? Some may try to say this one. For example, my father have a car. That car automatically belongs to me or not?
Yes, sir.
Called as the inheritance.
Okay.
Got it? Called as inheritance. Now try to say this one. Now I started the VPro Skills. On the September month, I'm starting the development center also. These are two things by default applicable to my son also. That is called as the inheritance. Got it or not? Getting the data from parent to child called as the inheritance. Fine. Now, yeah, once you try to say this one. Getting the
data from parent class
properties and behaviors from parent class to
child class.
From parent class to child class called as inheritance. Yeah, Samir, here we have the types of inheritance. First one, single level inheritance. Second one, multi-level inheritance. Third one, multiple inheritance. Fourth one, hierarchical inheritance. And the fifth one, hybrid inheritance. Summary, tell me types of inheritance. Single level inheritance.
Multi-level inheritance.
Multi-level,
Inheritance.
hierarchical intelligence.
Hierarchical
Intelligence.
hybrid.
Hierarchical and hybrid. Samir, slowly I need to explain with the help of coding. I don't want to stress more theory here. Fine. Samir, try to say this one. Is it a parent class?
Yes, sir.
It a parent class? Yes, sir, this is the parent class. This a parent class contain one variable, message equal to VPro. Or say this one, take the instance variable, not an issue. Let me take one instance variable. How to take it? Def underscore init na
Self, yes,
def
sir.
underscore init. Here I need to place self data. Self dot name equal to here I want to place the VPro. Fine. And another thing, class, which class? Child class na child
Okay.
class. Who is the parent of this class? Parent class. Say this one. For this
Yes.
class, put the parent.
Parent.
And another thing, here nothing is there. Nothing is there. In the child class, nothing is there. Even though nothing, this name availability to child because of inheritance.
Yes.
Samir, okay na? Samir, is it a name?
Yes, sir.
This name by default availability to
Child.
because of inheritance.
Yes, sir.
Okay na? Now, child class contain how many variables?
1.
1.
Which variable? Name. Which
Name.
variable? Name or not?
Name.
Name.
Yes.
How to create object? Obj equal to
Test.
child.
Child.
Print obj data name.
Name.
How to run the code? View terminal. View terminal. View terminal. Python.
10 dash loops.py.
Summary execute the code. Class garu child class contain nothing. Empty. Even the empty child will get the name because of what? Inheritance. Samira, how many classes we have?
2 classes, sir.
Called as?
Single level.
Yes.
So if you have 2 classes, single level. Okay.
Samir, more than 2?
Level. Multi-level.
Yes.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah, I can hear you.
Class name is parent.
Mm.
The which
Child.
method, the name
Mm.
same as class name is also called as constructor. Why you using init? What is use of init?
I'm declaring instance member. This instance member. This instance member related to parent. What is your question exactly? Why you are taking the self? That is our point. Na?
Not self. Why init? Underscore init underscore.
To initialize the instance members dynamically. For example, say this one. This code is there. Na? This how many lines of code? 10 lines of code. Na? While loading this code into memory. While loading this code into memory only, name equal to VPro. Got it or not? If I remove this one, while creating the code only, name equal to VPro. Got it? Huh? So that is the internal memory point of view. I think your background over the .NET. Can I tell instead of like this one, can I go for the your .NET background? For example, is it a code or not? Reply.
Yes.
Yes, sir. This code will load into memory or not.
Yes.
While loading into memory, name equal to VPro. Before loading, no name. That is called as the instance.
I'm asking doubt in line number 28 only. Why
Line
using
number
function
28.
name init?
Oh,
We
you
can
are talking about
as a parent. Yes.
exactly. Your point is the why underscore init underscore. That is our point now.
Yes.
Yeah, reason is the Python company told us in Python, if you wanted to declare the constructor, it should be underscore init underscore. This is the standard given by the Python company. Okay, na? For example, if you go for the Java,
Can we replace the parent here?
no, I think you are asking like constructor naming like a parent
Yes.
class. Yeah, that
Yes.
is not possible. That is related to our traditional languages, Java, .NET, maybe something. But here it's not possible. Fine. Samir, one more example. Samir, can I go to the one more example?
Yes, sir.
वंशी कैसा है वंशी?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vamsi, try to say this one. Vamsi, how to create the class? Class parent na? Vamsi, class parent na? Samir, take one function. How to take the function? Samir, you may ask. Samba, previously you told the variable, now you are taking the function. I want to show different varieties.
Okay, sir.
While practicing, Samir, while practicing yourself, don't to place the variable, place the functions also. It will work out. Say this one. Definition, which one? Test one. Fine. Which one? Self keyword. Yeah, say this one. Shushma, print, hello. Print hello or parent. What is the name of the class?
Parent.
Parent. Contain how many functions?
One function.
Called
One
as
function.
Test1.
test one. Class, which class?
Child.
Child
Child
class.
class. Who is
Child
the
class.
parent?
Parent.
Parent. Create another function. Which function? Test2. Test2. Which one? Self. Printer. Which one we need to do? Printer. Child.
Child.
Samir. Class.
Huh?
Class which one?
Subchild.
Subchild.
Yes, sir.
Class subchild. Class subchild. Who is the parent? Child.
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 Yeah. Yeah.
Samir, not a parent. Not a
Yes, sir.
parent.
Yes.
Child.
Child. Yeah.
Definition. Test3. Definition test3. Self.
Mhm.
Here. Print. What you wanted to print? Print subchild.
Subchild.
Samir, parent contain how many functions?
One function.
One function, sir.
Child contain how many functions?
One
One
function.
function.
No, Samir, no, I won't accept you.
Okay.
Child
It
contain
has
how
two
many
functions.
two functions? A subchild contain how many functions?
One function.
No, Samir, subchild.
Two.
Child contain how
3.
many functions? Three functions, sir. Three functions, sir.
Parent
What?
1, child 1, and
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
subchild 1.
Understood.
Yeah. Parent contain one function. Child contain two functions,
Two
sir.
functions.
Test1 and test2. Because of inheritance, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Subchild contain three functions, sir.
Functions.
What are the
Test1,
three functions, sir?
Test2,
Test1,
Test3.
test2, test3. Samir, do we have more than two classes?
Yes, sir.
Called as?
Multi-level.
Yeah. How to Samir as our wish. To which class I need to create the object? Choice is ours. Any class.
Yes,
If I
sir.
create an object to the parent, we are able to access only.
Test one.
Test1.
If I create an object to child, we are able to access
Child and parent.
Test1 and Test2.
two functions.
Two
If
functions.
I create
Yes.
an object to the subchild, we are able to access
Three functions.
Three
Subchild,
functions.
child, and
obj,
parent.
obj equal to subchild. Obj dot which one? Obj dot test one. And obj data test two. And obj data test three. Run the code. You terminal. Yeah, summary execute the code. What is the error? Invalid syntax. After the def, give the space, def space underscore underscore init underscore underscore. Bhaskar, give the space. After the def, the constructor is there. Na? In the constructor, give the space here. Satish, one more example. Nagababu, chayali, nato pat chayali.
Yes, done, sir.
One more example. And here we have the one more
Sir, 1 minute.
inheritance.
హలో
Yes.
ఇది లాస్ట్ టైం మీరు చెప్పినప్పుడు ఫంక్షన్స్ లాంబ్డా ఫంక్షన్స్ అందులో స్క్వేర్ అండ్ క్యూబ్ మీద చేయమన్నారండి. ఒకసారి క్యూబ్ చెప్పగలరా? ఇప్పుడేమన్నాడు కుదిరితే తర్వాత చెప్తారా?
క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత చెప్తాను.
ఓకే ఓకే అది మమ్మల్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయమన్నారు స్క్వేర్ క్యూబ్. స్క్వేర్ వచ్చిన క్యూబ్ రాలేదండి.
Okay, okay. X into X into X or num1 into num1 into num1. You can get it. Just to take one variable, lambda num1, colon
ఓకే
num1 into num1 into num.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత చెప్తారు నేను ఒకసారి చూస్తా. ఓకే
Next, one more thing. Vamsi, can I go to another example?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yeah, Vamsi, చేస్తున్నారు నాతో పాటు
చేస్తున్నాను సార్.
సాయికళ, సుష్మా, ఆసియా. Next one, one more thing. Example 9. Samir, if possible, Samir, like all the people team, not only Samir, all the people. If possible, whoever practicing along with me daily in the GitHub. Already I shared the GitHub link. Na?
Yes, sir.
In the GitHub link. Already I shared the GitHub link here. In this GitHub link, in this GitHub link, you need to go to batch 3 team. Batch 3, I think already I covered for your batch also, but maybe somewhat new points I covered for these people. Coming to the class notes.
Okay.
Coming to the class notes. Samir, here, integer data type is there, na? Integer data type.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here I covered the around the 7 points. If possible, Samir, add this knowledge to your running notes or somewhere else.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
now while you're revising the things, all the paper team, because I feel like some more points I discussed for these people, like interview questions, something I discussed. Yeah. And one more thing. Team, all the people, just once if you have the time, please refer that one also, because there I think recent questions also I covered in that one. Yeah, next one. And one more thing is that let me go through another thing, multiple inheritance. So what is the multiple inheritance? Try to say this one. Example 10. Example 9. Example 9. Team say this one. Class parent. Class parent. Class parent. Take one function. Which function? Test1. Test1. Which one? Self. Self print. Print. I want to place parent itself. And another thing. Team. Class. Class. Say this one. Parent 1. Class. One more parent. Parent 2. Class parent 2. Definition. Test2. Definition test2. Self. Definition test2. Self. Next one. Here. Print. What we need to do? Print parent 2. Samir, here how many parents are there? 2. Parent 1.
Parent 2.
Here we have the two parent classes. Parent one, next one is the parent two, next one. And one more thing. Class child. Class child, say this one. Parent one, comma, parent two. Parent one, parent two. Razgar by default. Parent one property. Yeah, try to say this one thing. By default, parent one property and a parent two property. Parent one property and a parent two property by default availability to
Child property.
child class.
Child class, sorry, child class.
Child class. By default, parent one property and a parent two property by default availability to child class. Got it or not? Now, assume here child class contain nothing. Child is the empty. Fine. Create the object. How to create the object? Obj equal to which one? Child. And how to call it? How to call it?
obj dot
obj dot test one.
test one,
obj dot test one. Next one. How to call it? obj dot
test two,
obj dot
Tested two.
test one and obj dot test two. Automatically we're able to call it. Run the code. Yes, Samir got it.
yes sir,
Single child contain two
two
parents.
parents, yes sir,
Single child contain two parents. Parent one property. Parent two property. By default availability to whom?
child,
Child class. Samir, here are some controversial questions I will discuss with you.
okay sir.
Parent one contain to function.
Test function,
Parent two also contain test function. Test function only.
okay.
Or test one only.
Mhm.
Parent one contain test one. Parent two also contain test one.
Mhm.
Got it? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now call, try to say this one. Now call obj dot test one. Who will call? Parent one or parent two? We need to say it. In terminal.
Parent one,
Parent one. What is the reason? Can you tell the reason? Parent
yeah.
one is there. Parent
Because-
one is there. Pass
yeah.
the parent two. Next one is the parent one. Change the order. Change the order here. If you change the order here, who will execute? Parent two or
Parent two.
parent two? Who has first priority?
Parent two has priority. Okay.
First class. Got it or not? So this is one of the written test question. Parent one contain test one. Parent two also contain test one. Yes or not? Whose property will come? Parent two property will come to child. Parent one property won't come. Got it or not? But I think whoever coming from the programming knowledge like Java, .NET, some people, I think it's a little bit unhappy example still. These kind of examples are not valid with the Java and the .NET, some other languages. But this kind of programming is valid again. Execute the summary. This kind of inheritance we can call multiple inheritance.
Multiple inheritance. Okay.
Multiple inheritance. Then team, can I go to the another example? Team, I'm waiting here. You people need to get the reply.
1
Can I
minute.
go to the example? Asya doing Asya compromise కావద్దండి చేయాలి నాతో పాటు చేయాలి. Shushma, Saikala, all the people.
Completed.
One more example. Can I go to the one more example?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let me go to the another example. Next example, example 10. Let me try to say this one. Class parent. Okay, na? Here,
Yes.
take one variable. How to take the variable? Again, self dot x equal to 100. Fine. I think Samir, you may ask, sir, why you are taking the variable? Randomly I'm taking.
Yes.
Take functional. If you ask me, take the both also, what's the problem? Take the variable, take the function. Choice is versa. Gopal Gar, and one more thing. Class child 1. Class child 1. Here I wanted to place parent. Got it or not? Definition underscore init. Definition underscore init. Here I wanted to place self dot y equal to 200. Self dot y equal to what? Self dot y equal to 200. We need to place it. Sum. One more thing. Class, which class? Subchild. Class, which class? Subchild. Subchild. Here I need to place the not subchild, here child 2. There I wanted to pass the child 2. Child 2. And here also superclass is the parent. Superclass is the parent. Definition underscore you need to place it. Next one, try to say this. Here I need to do the another point here. Self dot y equal to 300. Self dot y equal to what? 300. Fine. Team, see this one. Samir, leave this line here. I will let you know this line in the future. Leave that line. Fine. Samir, is it a parent class?
Yes, sir.
Parent class contain what?
1 x.
X.
Yes, sir. Is it a child one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Child one contain 100 and 200.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Child 2 contain 100 and 300.
300.
Got it or not? Child 1 contain what? Child 1 contain 100 and
100 and 200.
200. Child 2 contain 100 and
100 and 300.
300. 100 and 300 here. Got it or not? Single parent, 2 childs. Possible or not? Possible.
Yes,
Now
sir.
try to say this one. Create object to the child 1. How to create a obj1 equal to child 1. Now how to print it? Print obj1 dot x. Dot x. Next one is the, here I need to place the obj1 dot y. Samir, what is the output you are expecting? 100 and
100 and 200.
100 and 200 here. Now, let me see the another thing here. We need to see the another thing here. Now, we should be in a position we need to go to the another thing here. What is the another thing here? Here, obj2. obj2 equal to, respond, obj2 equal to child 2,
Yes,
child
sir.
2. And print it. I need to print it. We should be in a position we need to print it. obj2 dot x. Next one, obj dot y. obj2 dot y. Got it now?
Okay, sir.
100
Yes,
to
sir.
100 to 100 to 100 related to
Child
100
1.
to child 1. And 100 300 related to
Child 2.
child 2. Fine. How many parents are there?
One
One
parent,
parent.
One parent. How many single parent contain?
two childs.
Single parent contain the two childs. So child 1, child 2.
Child
Rajgaru. 100, 200 related to
Child 1.
Child
100, 300 related to
Child 2.
child 2 won't have the permission to access 200. Got it? Fine. Yeah. Samir say this one. Samir, generally. For example, in India, the kids have the one habit generally, and all the families they have the one habit. Samir, before going to outside, we are informing to mummy or not.
Yes.
Mummy, I'm going outside. I will come within 1 hour. You are giving information to mummy or not. Mummy, say this one. This kid one giving the information to mummy regarding the what y variable. Yes or not? This kid giving the information to mother regarding the what? Regarding the why. Got it or not? Is it a kid or not? This kid giving the information to whom? Mother.
Yes.
Say this one. Samir, line number 156. Line number 156 and 151. Calling parent class constructor. Line number 151. Line number 151 is nothing but calling the parent class constructor. Rajgaru, whenever we call the parent constructor, then only this 100 availability to child 1. Otherwise, 100 won't available. Whenever we call
Yes,
the
sir.
parent class constructor, then only this 100 availability to child 2. This 100 available to do what? Availability to child 2. Got it now?
Okay, okay.
Samir, what is the meaning of line number 151? Calling
Constructor.
whose constructor?
Child.
No, parent class constructor.
Parent.
Okay.
Calling which constructor? Parent class constructor. If we call parent class constructor only, this 100 availability to
Child one.
child 1. If we call parent class constructor only, this 100 availability to
Child two.
child.
So if you don't mention the super dot init, then it will be like a parent. Like parent has one variable, and then child has two variables, and child two has three variables. Okay.
Yes. All the people, please execute editing. Once I'm done, give the confirmation, then I need to go for another example. ప్రసాద్ గారు చేస్తున్నారు. ప్రసాద్ గారు cycle are done. Once done with the confirmation cycle.
Done, sir.
Shishma, can I go to another example? Cycle, this inheritance what do you call?
Yes, sir.
Inheritance. Example 10. This inheritance what do you call? Hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical.
Okay. Hierarchy.
Samir, how many inheritances are done? Samir, how many inheritances are done?
4, sir.
4. Samir, what is the first one? Samir, what
Single
is the
line.
first?
Inheritance,
Single
Single
level
inheritance.
inheritance. Next one,
multi-level inheritance,
three-level
Multi-level.
inheritance. Third one,
Multiple inheritance.
multiple. Next one,
hierarchical
Hierarchical.
hierarchical inheritance. Next one,
Hi-
one more that inheritance. Speaking of hierarchical inheritance. But Samir, one more example. And one more example is let me go to another example. Example 11. And here I need to open one more example. Example 11. Last example, hybrid inheritance. Which inheritance? Hybrid inheritance.
Hybrid.
Okay. Samir, I don't want to explain, just I will show the code. Just to give me the hint to me. Fun. Class parent. Slowly, Samir, no need to worry. Class parent. Next one. Here, take one variable. Definition underscore init. Definition underscore init. Self dot x. Self dot x equal to 100. Raspberry, is it a single class? Single class or not? Raspberry? Is it a single
Single
class or
class.
not?
Yes, sir.
Single.
Single class.
Raspberry, try to say this. Class child 1. Class child 1. Class child 1 parent. Definition underscore init. Definition underscore init care. Self dot y equal to 200. This inheritance we can call. Chapalan, you people need to tell this inheritance up to this one. This inheritance, what do you call?
Multi.
Multi.
No, only this
Multiple.
code. Only this code. Only this code. I'm talking about only this code. This inheritance we can call
Single.
Multiple.
single,
Multiple,
single
sir.
level.
Single.
No,
Single.
single level. Single level up to this one. Is it a single level or not?
Yes, sir.
One parent,
One
one child,
parent,
what
one child.
Single level.
Single
What is
level.
single level? Single level. Next one. Team. And one more point. Class child 2. Class child 2. Here I wanted to place the parent. Class child 2. I wanted to place the parent. Definition. Say this one. Definition underscore init. Definition underscore init here. Self dot z. Self dot z equal to 300. Team. Otherwise self dot y. Why not? We can place the self dot y also. Team. This inheritance what do you call?
Multi-level.
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 No, think and tell me the answer. I don't need the speed answer, sir.
Hierarchical, maybe.
Hierarchical.
Yes,
Samir,
hierarchical.
hierarchical. Next
Yes,
one,
sir.
Samir. Class. Which class? Subchild na?
Subchild. Yes, sir.
Subchild. Child 1, child 2.
Mhm.
Child 1, child 2. Definition, underscore init. Definition, underscore init here. Here I need to place self data. Self dot, some a variable. Self dot, some variable, a variable equal to 400. But
Okay.
only this inheritance, only this one. Highlighted code. Which
Multi-level.
anyone? I'm not expecting
Multiple, sir.
multiple team. Respond
Yes,
here.
sir.
Only this inheritance,
Single
Single.
Single
level.
level.
single level. Only this inheritance,
Hierarchical.
Hierarchical.
hierarchical. Samir, only this inheritance,
Multiple level, sir.
multiple. Samir, subchild, reading the data from
Child 1 and child 2.
child 1, subchild. No, I think maybe even if I pass the 2, only one thing will be there. Na?
Yes, sir.
Only
Yes, sir. Yeah.
subchild, reading the data from only child 1.
Child 1. Yeah.
Child 1 contain what?
100.
Y equal to 200. X equal to 100.
And subchild contain what?
400.
Subchild
400.
4. Okay.
400. Try to create the object here. I need to create the object. Obj equal to what we need to place subchild.
Subchild.
Team, I have one doubt here. Is it valid or not? I need to check it because we have the two classes now. We have the two
Mhm.
processes to verify. Some error it will throw here. Then we need to verify here. And print. Samir, subchild. Coming to the subchild. Subchild have the capability of access.
Child
Child.
one,
Child one contain what? X and
parent, Y,
X and Y. Along with the X and Y, what we have?
A variable as well. Yeah.
obj dot x, obj dot x, obj dot y, obj dot y, obj dot e also. Got it or not? Got it.
Yes,
But it,
Yes,
it
sir.
will throw some error. It will throw some error here. Wait here. If no error, we are happy. No error, we are happy here. Answer is the what? 100, 200,
200, 400.
400.
400. Change the priority here. Child to child one.
Now we will get different answers, sir.
Tell me.
100, 300, and 400.
Exactly. 100, 300, and 400 here. Got it or not? But
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
Satish say this one. Satish, is it a parent class? Satish, is it a parent class? Yes or not? Satish, yes, this is the parent class. No. Up to this one, what do you call? Single level inheritance, Nagbabu. Up to this one, what do you call? Single level inheritance. Whatever the, yeah, say this one. Whatever the inheritance, that inheritance we can call single level inheritance. Yeah. Next one. Razgaru. Up to this one, we can call.
Hierarchy.
Razgar, up to this one we can
Hierarchy.
call hierarchical inheritance. Razgar, up to this one we can call
Multiple.
Multiple.
multiple. Finally, what is our point here? Finally, what is our point here?
Hybrid.
Combination of
Hybrid and multiple.
hierarchical plus
Single.
multiple.
Multiple.
Called as what?
Hybrid.
Called as hybrid inheritance here. One team, just to give me the second here. Just to download this image also. Samir, see the diagram and please expand here. Samir, this inheritance what they call?
Single
Single
level.
level.
This inheritance what they call?
Multi-level.
Multi-level. This inheritance what they call?
Multiple inheritance.
Multiple.
Okay.
And this inheritance what they call?
Hierarchical.
Hierarchical.
This inheritance what they call?
Hybrid.
Hybrid.
Samir, just explain up to this one here. Up to this one, not up to that one here. Wait here. Up to this one, only this diagram. What do you call?
Single.
Class A
Level.
has single element.
Single level.
Yeah.
And up to this one. And up to this one, you need to tell. Up to this one.
Single level.
Multiple.
Single level. No, single level only. Class A, class A. One is half of the diagram.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes,
Single
sir.
level.
And up to whole diagram, I think, wait here. I will show highlight the diagram here. Up to this diagram.
Multi-level.
No.
Hierarchical.
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 What we can call the hierarchical.
Correct.
This one, up to this one, we can call the hierarchical. Class A, class B, class C. We can call the hierarchical. But Samir, one more point. Think and tell me the answer. Just a highlighted box will tell it. This one.
Multi-level.
Multi-level. This one.
Multi-level.
Multi-level. Samir, only this one.
Multiple.
Whole combination we can call
Hybrid.
But yeah, so this is the information. This information here. I think it is even some other phone number, some other addresses also it is in ChatGPT. Team, execute this code also.
Sir, can you execute this code? I want to see the result.
Already executed.
Result.
No, can I run
Can
the
you show
code?
me the result, sir?
Yeah, I will show it. Yeah, how to run the code? View terminal.
Yes.
Got it? 100, 300, 400. Can I tell the reason why we got it?
Yeah. So
No.
subchild.
Is it a subchild?
Correct.
Subchild getting whose
Child
data?
Child 2.
It never get the
Child
child 1 data. It will get only child 2 data.
100, 300, and
Okay.
400.
We get
Yeah.
only child 2 data here. In child
Yeah.
2, in child 2, what we have? In
Parent.
child 2, what we have? Like 300 is there. Next one,
Yes.
100 is there.
Parent.
And
100.
subchild contain which one?
400.
Also.
Uh,
Okay, na?
100, 300, and 400. Yeah.
If I replace here child 1, 100, 200,
100,
400.
200, and 400.
Yeah. While practicing, change it here and check it.
Mm.
Is it done? Say, give the confirmation. Is it done or not? Say, team for the evening batch team, like not your batch 1. Batch 1, yesterday we developed our own LLM team, our own LLM in the sense, like our own ChatGPT. Because ChatGPT given by the OpenAI company, same prototype team, the same prototype we developed, creating prototype of LLM. Good application team, one of the good application. The same application we will use for your class also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, team, one more point. I'm requesting one more point here. And please verify the batch 3 nodes also. I don't know team, but unfortunately, the content moves like a heavy content for that batch. And one more negative point of that batch is the the people are not in the active in the sense sometimes they're not understanding the basic English also, like include, exclude, this kind of thing also. But the content goes to the heavy level. Yeah, it's better to refer that notes also. It will be helpful to you. Fine. Next one, team. And one more example I needed to tell.
30 seconds, almost done, sir. Give me 1 second.
రాజు గారు మీరు ఎప్పుడు ఫ్రీగా ఉంటండి అప్పుడు ఒక్కసారి వస్తానండి ఇక్కడ ఎస్ఆర్ నగర్ వస్తానండి. ఒక్కసారి మీరు ఈ ఏరియాలో కొంచెం హెల్ప్ చేయాలండి. ఐ విల్ లెట్ యు నో వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ హెల్ప్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ. బికాస్ ఇన్ ద ఈవినింగ్ బ్యాచ్ అండి మనకి 1 or 2 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా. ఫర్ దట్ పీపుల్ జస్ట్ గివ్ సమ్ బేసిక్ గైడెన్స్ అండి. Just 1 or 2 members are there, na? Like for that people, just to give a brief idea. I will let you know what kind of support. Then ఒక్కొక్కసారి హెల్ప్ చేద్దారండి.
ఓకే.
సార్
Embedded, sir.
Yeah. Can I go to the one more example thing?
Yes, sir.
One more example. One more example. Let me go through the one more example. What is a super? What is a super? Try to say this one. Used to call parent class members. Child wanted to call parent class members. How? With the help of super. Can you please explain here what is the use of super? Child classes wanted to call parent classes, wanted to call parent class members. Then that one we can call the super. Can you please explain here? Child class. Child class will call which one?
Parent class.
Parent class members. Parent class members. Parent class members with the help of what?
సూపర్ క్యూ.
Super.
What? Super or meta? With the
Yes, sir.
help of super. With the help of super. Say this one. Child class members wanted to call parent class members. And one more thing. Yeah. Vamsi, ask the question. Say. Vamsi, any question, Vamsi?
అవును సార్.
Yeah. Now try to say this one. Yeah. Next one. Try to say this one. Here. How to create the class? How we need to create the class? Class parent. Vamsi, this is which class?
Parent class.
Parent class.
Yeah. This one. And one more thing. The class is the parent class. Vamsi, take one variable. How to take the variable? Chapali. Vamsi, Chapaland. How to take the variable?
Def.
Definition.
Def underscore init self.
Init. Yeah. Samir, can I take one variable here?
Yes, sir.
Parameter one.
Yes, sir.
Parameter one. How to take variable here? Self dot. Self
Dot
dot.
one is equals to
Parameter one. Self dot number equal to what? Self dot number equal to parameter one. Yes,
parameter
sir.
one.
How to create the child class? Class a child. Na?
Class
Class.
child.
Next one. What we need to place? Parent.
Parent.
Class. Next one. Here. Definition.
Def underscore init.
Init. Param 1 comma param 1 comma param 2 param 1 comma param 2. Now I need to do part the self dot num2 equal to self dot num2 equal to param 2. Let me pass the param 2 here. We should be in a position we need to do part the param 2. Parent class contain how many variables?
One variable.
Variable. That a variable by default availability to
Child
Child.
class.
Child class.
how to create object to the child. I want to create object to the child. How to create object to the
Obj
child?
one
Obj
Which
equals
one?
to child.
Obj equal to
Child.
here plus child.
Child.
200, 100. Vamsi, try to focus here, Vamsi. See this one. Vamsi, this is 200 store root to 2.
Parameter 1.
Number.
This is 100 store root to 2.
Parameter 2.
Parameter 2.
Parameter 2. Team, tell me here, parameter 1 contain.
100.
Parameter 1.
200.
200.
Parameter 2 contain.
100.
100.
Yes, sir, matter. Say this one. This is parameter 1 store root to 2. This is parameter 1. Whatever
Yes,
the
sir.
parameter, this is parameter 1 store root to 2. This parameter 1. Finally, is it a 200 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, not. This
Yeah.
is parameter 1 store root to 2.
Number.
Num1.
This is the num1 availability to
Child.
Child class.
team. I'm repeating again. Here. You people need to tell here. Fun. 200. 200 store root to 2.
Parameter.
Parameter 1.
100 store root to 2.
Parameter 2.
Parameter.
This is 200. Is it a 200 or not?
Yes,
This
sir.
is 200. This is 200 store root to 2.
Parameter 1.
Parameter 1.
That 200 store root to 2.
Num1.
That num1 availability to
Child.
Child.
Child class.
is 100 availability to
Num2.
num2. Finally, child class contain what? Num1 and num2 na.
Num2. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, meta.
Yes,
Child
sir.
class constructor. Is it a child class constructor or meta? Child
Yes,
class
yes.
constructor calling parent class constructor na.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Child class constructor calling the parent class constructor. Team, can I repeat the flow again?
Yes.
Team,
No,
can I
sir.
repeat the flow again? Let me
Not,
repeat the flow
not.
again. There. Team, 200 store root to
Parameter 1.
Parameter 1.
100 store root to
Parameter 2.
this is 200 store root to
Parameter 1.
Parameter 1.
Parent
parameter 1 store root to
Num1.
Number.
num1 availability to
Child.
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 this is parameter 2 store root to
Num2.
Num2.
num2. Series. Samir, finally, child class constructor calling the parent class constructor now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Print
Print
obj dot
print
num1.
obj. Next one.
Obj dot num2.
Obj dot num1. Next one is the obj dot num2. Got it or not? 200
Yes.
and 100. Fine. Team,
Yes, sir.
execute the code. Say if you're staying with the Hyderabad and ఒక వీకెండ్ లో వచ్చేసానండి ఇక్కడికి దెన్ కమ్ టు ద ఆఫీస్ అడ్రస్ కి దెన్ వి నీడ్ టు టాక్. మీరు ఎప్పుడు ఫ్రీ అయితే అండి జస్ట్ ఒక్కసారి వచ్చి వస్తే కనుక దెన్ వి నీడ్ టు డిస్కస్ అండి. చేంజెస్ ఏమన్నా దెన్ వి నీడ్ టు డిస్కస్.
సార్
Go ahead.
సార్ ఇందాక ఎల్ఎల్ఎంస్ ఒకసారి ఎల్ఎల్ఎంస్ అని చెప్పారు కదా సార్ ఇలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అని.
మీకు కాదండి వేరే బ్యాచ్ కండి మళ్ళీ మీకు వస్తుంది కదా మీ బ్యాచ్ కి మీకు
అదే సార్
వస్తుందండి.
మామూలుగా యూట్యూబ్ వీడియో చూసాను సార్, చాలా పెద్ద కోర్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్ అందులో.
ఏందండి
యూట్యూబ్ వీడియో మామూలుగా చూసాను సార్ నిన్న.
ఉమ్.
ఇంకా చాలా పెద్ద కోర్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్.
కోడా
ఉమ్ సార్.
వచ్చేదేమో మరి అది బిల్డ్ చేయాలంటే ఆ లెవెల్లో రాయాల్సిందే.
అవును సార్.
One more example, team. Cycla, can I go to the one more example?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one. And one more example. Samir, can you tell what is the example 12? Example 12 is nothing but child class constructor calling
Parent
child class
class.
calling
Parent
parent class
Parent
constructor.
class.
constructor.
child class constructor calling parent class constructor, not only calling, while calling, passing the data also. Is my point right? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Come here, one more point. How to create parent class? How to create a parent class?
Class parent.
Class parent. How to create one function? Definition, test function,
Text one.
definition, test function, self keyword. And here I need to place print. What we need to do? Print parent. Rasgar, how to create the child class? Class? Rasgar, tell
Child
me.
Class child.
Class
of
child. Who is
parent.
parent? Parent or not? Parent. Now, how to create another function? How to create another function? The function is the like some wish function. Wish function, then pass the self. Rasgar, child class contain how many functions?
Two functions.
First function,
Test.
Test
second
function.
function.
Wish.
Wish function.
Rasgar, wish function wanted to call test function. Wish
Okay.
function wanted to call which function? Test
Wish
function. How
test
how
function.
it can call? Super dot which function?
Test.
Super dot function. Try to say this one. Super dot which one? No, no. Super dot which one? Test. Super dot test. How to create the object? How to create the object?
Object.
Obj equal to which one? Child.
Child.
Child. And obj dot which one? Wish.
Wish.
Obj dot wish. Check it. Many syntax errors or something we need to verify. Yes. Super has no attribute to test. Pass the self.
Super should have, yeah.
Parent test.
Let me check the syntax tip. Myself also done the same thing now. Wish function, super dot test of self. Correct code. What's the correct code? Super of test. No?
Yeah.
Check it where it no mistake. Super of test. No? Then don't pass anything. No? Don't pass anything. Yes, we got it. Team, I will let you know. Samir, is it a child class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Child class contain which function?
Wish function.
Wish
This
function.
wish function internally calling which function?
Test
Test
function.
function.
With the help of what?
Super.
Super.
Super. Child class function calling parent class function. Is it a child class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Calling which function? Calling which function? Parent
Test
class
Parent
function.
function.
class
Parent
function.
class function. With the help of what?
Super.
Super keyword.
Example 12 demonstrating. Example
Super
12
keyword.
demonstrating.
Super
Child
Example.
keyword.
class.
Child class
Child
constructor. Child class
calling
constructor.
parent
Calling
class.
parent class.
Parent
Child class
class.
constructor. Calling the parent class
Parent
function.
class.
Yes or not? And
Yes, sir.
here it is the example demonstrating child class function calling
Parent
parent
class.
child class function calling which function parent class function. But team execute the code. Can I go to the one more example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Samir, what we completed about inheritance, we completed,
Yes, sir.
and we completed the super keyword.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir, and we completed the inheritance and we completed the super
Super
keyword.
keyword.
Super keyword. So, fine. Next one. Samir, one more point I need to tell here. Private variables. Private variables. Because of private, parent class members won't accessible to child classes. Because of private, parent class members won't accessible to child classes. Got it? Fine. I will show the example. Generally, if you check here, X availability to child 1 or not,
Yes, sir.
this X availability to child 2 or not,
Yes.
Sir.
because this is the public member. This is which
Correct.
member? Public member. So that's fine. Parent class data accessible to child 1 and child 2. If I make it as a private, this X won't accessible to
Child 1 and child 2.
child 2 and subchild also. Now check
Yes,
the
sir.
proof. Check the proof. Yeah. How we need to
So only
verify.
dedicated to parent.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
So this one, example 14. Gopal Garu try to see this one. Class, is it a parent class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Definition, underscore init,
Init.
self
Self
dot
dot param1.
underscore x
Okay.
equal to 100.
Hmm.
Samir, now this x is the private. This x won't accessible to child class. Check it out. Class which one? Child. Class of child, here which one we need to place? Private.
Okay.
Class of child private. Now pass. Fine. Yeah. Cycler, is this X accessible to child class?
No,
No.
sir.
No. Reason this is the private.
Private.
Underscore representing the private. This
Okay.
private variable accessible within the class, not out of class. Got it or not?
Oh,
For example,
yes.
try to see this. Create object to the child. How to create object to the child here?
OBJ is
OBJ
equals to
OBJ
child
to
of.
child. Are we able to access underscore X? No, not at all.
No.
Not at all. Here, try to say this one. Not at all. Here, print
Into
OBJ dot
of
underscore
X.
X is unable to
Yeah.
access or not?
Yes, sir.
Unable to access. Team, are you people okay? How to create the private members? How
Underscore
to create
underscore.
private underscore X underscore is used to declare the private members.
Private variables.
Private members never participate with the inheritance. Private members unable to access with the help of object. Private members accessible within the class. Gopal Garu 3 points. Can you please stress the 3 points again? Gopal Garu, stress the 3 points again here. Underscore used to declare
It's a
the
private
Private
variable.
never participating
The
inheritance.
child class
unable to access with the help of
object.
object.
Child
Next
class
one, object. Private members accessible within the class.
class.
Parent class.
Private
Class.
members accessible within the class. Samir, in the running notes, can you please note on that 4 points also? Samir, in the running notes, please note on that 4 points.
Yes, sir. I already wrote.
Yeah. Now, team execute the code. Yeah, team, evening new batch started 8 p.m. as per the India timing. If any one of your friends are there, please refer to your friends. Not only that, but by the end of this month or next month, first week, we are planning to start .NET also. .NET and Python full stack and a Mariner stack also. So if any one of your friends are looking for the training, please refer it. And evening coming to the Gen AI Agentic AI, evening already one batch started. 8 p.m. Just Python started day. And coming to the .NET full stack, by the end of this month or next month, first week, .NET full stack, Python full stack, Mariner stack. And if possible, data analytics also. We are starting the data analytics also. If any one of your friends are there, please refer also.
So, bus, when will you start?
Satish, maybe you are facing maybe internet issue. Satish, I hope you face the internet issue. Why is not up to the mark?
Agentic and Gen
8
You
p.m.
told
8
na
p.m.
8 p.m.
8 p.m. As per the India timing, 8 p.m.
This month or next month?
Can you please message to me, Satish? I think because
When
you
will?
are.
Okay, okay, okay.
Already started. Already started. Yesterday we started the Python.
Okay, that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, already started, sir. Already started. Yesterday only we started the Python.
Okay.
Okay. But I think maybe so many stars are there in that batch. High-end stars are there. Fine. Next one. Team. One more point I need to say it. One more point we need to say it. Fine. Team. And one more thing. Example 50. Let me go to one more example. Example 50. Samir, how to create the parent?
Class
Samir, how to create the
Class
parent? Here we
parent.
need parent. Class parent.
parent.
Class parent. Samir, try to create one private function. How to create a definition underscore underscore
Underscore
test.
underscore test.
Test. No.
Self.
Yeah. Razgar, will it participate in inheritance?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Because of private.
Underscore.
Because of private. Now say this one. Print hello. This is a test function. But this test function, what are the test function is there? This test function accessible within the parent. This test function accessible within the parent. How? Say this one. Definition, some function. Definition, which function, which function. Razgar, will it participate in inheritance? Yes or not? Which function? Will it
Yes.
participate or yes?
Yes.
Because this is the public function.
Public
Public.
function.
Public function. Say this one. Yeah, cycle. Which
Yes.
function wanted to call test function? Yes, possibility is there.
Yes, sir. We can.
Razgar, say this one. Now, can you tell the highlight point again here? Underscore saying private.
Private.
Private function never participating inheritance.
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 Unable to access with the help of object.
Object.
But private function we can access within the class.
Within the
Yes
class.
or
Yes, sir.
not? Yeah. Private function we can access what within the class or not? Within the
Yes, sir.
class. One. Who accesses the test function? Wish or
Wish.
not?
Wish.
Wish. Is this wish public function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Will it participate in inheritance?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Another. Say this one. Class child.
Child.
Class to child. Now try to say this one. Parent. Parent pass. Now, Rasgaru child contain how many functions now?
Two function.
Two functions.
Two
And
functions.
Why two functions? Why two functions? Only one
Only
function.
one.
One
Which
wish
one?
is private. Yeah, yeah.
Which
wish
function?
function.
That's
Okay,
it.
okay.
Which function?
Which
Only
function?
wish.
Yeah. How to create object to the which function? Obj equal to
Obj
obj
equals to
equal to
child.
child. Obj dot obj dot which function? Which function?
Wish function.
Got it or not? I'm calling which function,
Yes, sir.
but this function internal invoking
Test function.
test function. Team, can I go to the one more example or can I cover it tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow is fine, sir.
Tomorrow, no? Team, can I commit the code? Git and data. And how to commit it? Git commit -m serious one. Oops. How to push it? Git push na?
Yes, sir.
Git push. Yeah. Team, I will say the content again. Okay? Like we need to see the protected. Now we done the private. Now we have the one more concept of protected is there. We will see the protected. Next one we need to see polymorphism. Next one we need to say the static keyword. Next one we need to say the class level variables. And then we need to say the are any predefined entry questions are there. Then we need to say that. Practice the team. I'm requesting you people please practice it. Never forget it. Never forget it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, team. And tomorrow we need to see the some other things.
Sir, right.
Any questions, team? No questions, sir.
Questions, sir. Good.
Thank you, team. Bye.